In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and what's required to unlock the connection so you can bring Claude's AI assistance into your design workflow. First, open your browser and head to the Claude new chat page. This is the quickest way to land inside the Claude interface where all your tools live. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your account and settings load correctly. Once you're in, it can help to bookmark the page for easy access later, especially if you'll be switching between Figma and Claude throughout your day. Next, look to the left side of the Claude interface for the download icon. It typically appears in the sidebar and opens a dedicated area for official apps and connectors. Click it to move into the Downloads section. This is the hub where Claude surfaces desktop apps and available integrations, and it's the place you'll use to start connecting external tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the icon, try expanding the browser or collapsing other sidebar items so the download option becomes visible. Now, to actually connect Claude with Figma, you'll need to upgrade your account. On the Downloads page, you'll see a notice indicating that connecting external apps requires a paid tier. Upgrading unlocks integration features, higher usage limits, and organization level controls that keep your data and permissions consistent across your team. When you click to upgrade, review the plan options and confirm that you're choosing the one your team expects you to use. If you're part of a company workspace, it's best to use your work account so the connection lands under the right organization. Some workspaces limit who can upgrade, so if you don't see the option, an admin may need to complete it. After your plan is active, return to the Download section and you'll see the connection controls available. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to enable the Figma connection within your workspace. If anything seems off, a few quick checks can help. Make sure you're on the correct Claude account, refresh the Downloads page after upgrading, and temporarily disable pop-up blockers during the upgrade flow. If you still don't see connection options, your organization's admin or billing settings may restrict integrations, and contacting your workspace owner will resolve that faster than troubleshooting alone. That's it. Go to Claude, open the Download section from the left sidebar, and upgrade to unlock the Figma connection. Pause and replay as needed, and you'll be set up in no time.